Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating the search field and the minimal structure. Add an input with type equals search and a visible label so screen readers find it. Once done, insert an icon or SVG inside the control for affordance and add a results container beneath it. Make sure to decide on a debounce strategy. I recommend 300 ms, so rapid typing won't flood requests. You're starting work, not theorizing. This gets your DOM and accessibility ready for the next steps. You now wire the input to live queries. Attach an input event that runs a debounce wrapper and only fires after the delay. Once the timer triggers, call fetch with the encoded query parameter and show a loading indicator so users know work is happening. Make sure to parse JSON safely, map results into DOM nodes, and inject them into the results container. Also implement keyboard navigation and area roles while rendering, because these make results usable with a keyboard and assistive tech. You finish by polishing behaviors and improving resilience. Wire arrow up / down and enter to move and confirm selections, and escape to close results. Once done, add caching and abort controller to cancel stale requests and highlight match text for clarity. Make sure to test with slow connections, empty queries, and special characters. Troubleshooting tip: if results lag or duplicate, check debounce, ensure previous requests are aborted, and verify your cache keys. Use the exact encoded query to avoid collisions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.